Hello everyone, my name is Ida from XY Global. Our company specializes in high-precision customized parts and one-stop manufacturing services. So today I will share a story from my customer. Once a medical equipment customer came to us with a very challenging project, then leaded parts of an endoscopic surgical instrument like this, with a tolerance of plus and 0.01 millimeter, and the mirror polish the inner hulls. Otherwise, the safety of a user would be affected. On top of that, then request the delivery with 3 weeks, while the normal lead time is 5 weeks. So that's so terrible actually. To meet the demand, our team immediately set up a cross-department collaboration. The process engineer optimized the machining routine. The QC department implements 100% inspection, and I personally followed up the process every day to make sure any issues were solved with 25 hours. In the end, we not only delivered with 3 weeks, but also achieved 98% yield rate. The customer told us this batch of parts enabled their clinical testing to start on time, and they're very satisfied. For me, this experience shows that XY Global truly delivers not just a precision part, but a solution that help our customer reach their goals. Thank you.